Hello and welcome to a short introduction to the VCAT platform that the SMSCP program uses. VCAT is the short form for Virtual Communications and Trainings. You can find the platform on our website siemenscertifications.com. There's also a link in the below this video that you can use to access the website. So on the website itself, you can find interesting topics about the SMSCP. You can find all the information that you need about the SMSCP. For example, if you want to participate in further courses, you can find, for example, dates for upcoming level 2 courses, level 3 courses, and also for level 1 courses if you are interested. So, a general overview about the site. It's pretty easy to handle and you can find your way through it. Important on this site is that every participant is going to get an login and access to the VCAT internal area with using the login button on the top or on the bottom left. You can access the login area, and I created an account especially for testing this. You have received login data from your VCAT team. If you do not have login data available, you can always reach us. We can reset your password. The contact email is given below this video. After logging into the platform, the desktop is shown. Your personal desktop is shown with all your personal files. You can upload as much data as you want onto the platform. There is no limitation for you. For this example, the My Files folder is empty. So, pretty empty. So, yeah, that's it already for the desktop. Nothing too special about it. What the first thing should be when you get to know VCAT is that you should change your profile settings and your password. You can find your profile settings in the private window on the left slider and under settings. Settings are your personal settings. You can access your own profile, your professional profile, on the My Profile button, and it would be very helpful to put in your data into the system so that the VCAT team itself and other instructors that have been going through the certification program can find you and you can find them. That would be helpful as well. This is the email, how you can reach us. And when you're done putting in your data, you can also upload a picture that your colleagues still remember you, or you still remember your colleagues. After this, you can save the changes and your profile will be updated. After updating your profile, you should also change your password. Same with the settings, and you have a My Password option. On the My Password, you can change your password to a new one. You have to put in your old password and you have to put in a new password and confirm this. There are no restrictions to the password. You do not need a minimum of 8 letters or at least one special sign, an uppercase letter, lowercase letter. It doesn't matter. You can put in all possible passwords that you want. I will not alter my password right now here for this case. After adjusting your account, you can use the platform. The main use of the platform you can find under Home. It's a content management system, and you can find a lot of data already uploaded by the VCAT team online. So if you click on the left on Home, on the slider Home, you will see that a little tree opens. The more you've been participating in the SMSCP program, the more access you will get. With this account, I only have restricted access to level 1 material. So after clicking on Home, the first thing you will see are at least 4 subfolders. So those subfolders are the Instructor Certification subfolder. This folder is important for your current Instructor Certification. There are PowerPoints on this, and for example, the agenda, tasks for the current Instructor Certification that you are going through. So this is really limited to a time. Basically, just 2 weeks that you're spending with the SMSCP right now. The level support material is important after the 2 weeks that you spent with the SMSCP. Afterwards, you want to implement your the SMSCP into your curriculum. You want to add the technical topics, how the SMSCP has them, into your own curriculum. You can find help for this in the level support material. The next subfolder would be the exam subfolder. Whenever your students are going through a certification process, they will have to execute a standardized online examination that your students will also get access to in the examinations folder. There are some examples in there. That's why you have access to it as well. The mechatronic system simulations and video subfolder is important because there are different examples for training systems. The basic idea of the SMSCP is that you always have a training system or a system, a real mechatronic system, in the main focus. And there are different examples in here and simulations as well. But we're going to start for now with the Instructor Certification subfolder. And you will see there are some folders in there. Those are all relevant for the weeks, for the upcoming weeks. So the lower 4 folders here are contents. For example, the System Approach Paradigm Week. Those are all the PowerPoints that you are going to see during the course itself. So during the first week of the course, you will get to know these PowerPoints, videos, tasks, and so on. In the second week, you will have the Level 1 Content Week, and you have a similar structure as for the System Approach Paradigm Week, only for Level 1, then 1 week after. So pretty sorted. You are free to use all the PowerPoints and all the presentations that are uploaded here. If you want to download any of those files, you can just click on the little button next to it and click on Download File. It's pretty haptical. It's easy to use, or you could just click on the name and it's going to download the file itself. Those are the 2 content folders. Then there's implementation documents that can help you put the program into your curriculum. There's, for example, a curriculum from Germany given where the program was successfully implemented, and roadmaps could help you, implementation templates, general implementation help. This is pretty helpful for you just to read through the documents. They can help you. We are going to help you with implementing the certification program in your school, but those documents are a good basis for that. The SMSCP marketing material is just the information that you can also find on the website. It's just nice to have them sorted on the platform as well. The important folder in the Instructor Certification subfolder is the My Instructor Certifications. Every certification that you will go through is going to be listed in there. This account only has 1 course, a Level 1 course in Michigan been going through. If there would be a second one, there would be a second one listed. In this subfolder, you can find everything that is related to this course, and specifically uploaded by on demand. This is something really specific. For example, if you want to upload and share any files with your colleagues that you are seeing the next 2 weeks, you can you have full access to the Instructor Upload area. The Instructor Upload area is for you important to really share all the files. You can click on the folder and you can see the area is empty. To fill this area, you have full rights in this folder. You can click here to upload a file, or you can click on the folder icon on the top left and click on Upload File. A second window is going to open, and there you choose Choose Data, and you can choose then any data from your Explorer, any data that you have currently on your system running. If you click on upload now, the file is going to be uploaded and it's available now online for everyone that has access to this folder. For everyone, meaning everyone in the course and from the SMSCP team. If you want to delete the data, if you accidentally uploaded it, you can just click on the icon again and click delete file. And of course, yes, I want to delete it. Yes, I could have clicked on the little icon as well and just click download. That's how you download and upload files. So far for the Instructor Certification subfolder. This is for you important during the course, and after the course you will have, you should have a deeper look into the level support material. This is like an online textbook. This is an online textbook that is available for you from now forever. In this textbook, for example, if you are not sure about every electrical component that's out there, Course 1, electrical components, what's that actually about? You have no idea, you can just click in there, and this is really like a textbook. Content outline. What's the content of this course? And actually, it's what is mechatronics? Okay, electrical fundamentals, basic elements and quantities. You can find just what's part inside this course, and then you can just open more and more pages. It's like a digital online textbook. It's very helpful if you use it. Yeah, if you use it. Very good. If you click inside contents, for example, I want to know something about wires and cables. Then a page about, an information page about wires and cables is going to open. You can read through it. I want to know more about basic electric quantities. Yes, okay, next page, and so on. So there's a couple of hundred pages that you have access now to. All the theoretical questions that could occur in the online examinations for your students definitely could be answered when reading through all those contents. Brings me to the next point, to the exams. Inside exams, you have access right now for testing the tool. If you just click on in the orientation tree on the test the tool, you can start an examination, a sample examination. If you click on start the test, a pop-up is going to open. If you want to run an examination, you have to, that's mandatory, you have to stop your pop-up blocker, or you have to allow pop-ups from our website. How you use this, I'm going to explain in another tutorial. So I'm going to end the test right now, but this is for you to start to get into the examination, online examination. Next folder would be, next and last folder would be the mechatronics systems, simulations and videos. Inside this folder, you're going to find, yeah, those three subfolders again. And in mechatronic systems, you have different informations about different systems. In simulations, we have one simulation that we are using a lot in the SMSCP program that is called Diagnostics Kit. You can find all the download files, all the installation files online here, and also the documentation and solutions if you need them. All online, all accessible to you forever. So this is was just a short introduction to the online platform VCAT. If you have any questions, just ask your contact partner of the SMSCP or write an email to the email address that is shown below this video. So that's it for the introduction. Have a nice day and feel free to ask any questions.